Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, where do stars come from? In today's video, we'll unveil the cosmic secrets behind the birth of these giants of light. If you love science and the wonders of the universe, subscribe now so you don't miss any space adventures like this one. The beginning of a star's journey. It all starts in a place where darkness reigns, and life is still just a possibility. These places are nebulae, vast clouds of dust and gas scattered across the universe. Often invisible to the naked eye, they are the true cosmic nurseries. It's here that stars, like our sun, take their first steps toward existence. These interstellar clouds are mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the most abundant elements in the universe. But no matter how vast they are, a star is only born when something disrupts their balance. Whether it's a nearby supernova explosion, colliding galaxies, or even the nebula's own natural motion. And that's when the force that shapes the cosmos comes into play, gravity. When part of the nebula reaches enough density, it begins collapsing in on itself. Slowly but relentlessly, gravity pulls gas and dust toward the center, forming an increasingly dense and hot core. This process can take millions of years. Over time, matter accumulates, heats up, and swirls around the center of mass, forming a disk. At the heart of this cosmic whirlpool, a protostar is born, a stellar embryo still shrouded in dust and invisible, yet pulsing with the promise of light. Thanks to modern technology, telescopes like James Webb can now observe these protostars in action. Jets of matter shooting out at incredible speeds reveal just how turbulent this phase is. It's not quite a star yet, but it's getting close. The birth of a star. As the protostar's core reaches extreme temperatures, something extraordinary happens. Nuclear fusion begins. At this point, the pressure is so intense that hydrogen atoms fuse into helium. This process releases an enormous amount of energy, the very energy that gives a star its glow. During this stage, the young star wages a constant battle. Gravity tries to crush it, while the pressure from fusion pushes outward. When these two forces balance out, the star reaches stability. It has entered the main sequence. Stars like our sun remain in this phase for billions of years. It's an era of cosmic calm, yet intense internal activity. To put it into perspective, the energy released in a star's core can take over 10,000 years to reach its surface before finally shining as visible light. The steady glow we see in the night sky is actually the echo of a process that began millions of years ago. And every twinkling tells a different story. Variations in stellar destinies. Not all stars are born the same. The mass a star gathers during its formation determines everything: its color, size, temperature, lifespan, and most importantly, how it will die. Massive stars burn brighter and live shorter lives. They consume their fuel in just a few million years. When their end comes, it's dramatic. They explode in supernovae, events so bright they can outshine entire galaxies for days. What remains could be a black hole, where gravity is so strong not even light escapes, or a neutron star, an incredibly dense core. Stars like our sun live more peacefully. After billions of years, they swell into red giants, swallowing nearby planets before shedding their outer layers and leaving behind a white dwarf, a small but extremely hot and dense object that will glow for trillions of years. Then there are the failed stars, brown dwarfs. They don't have enough mass to ignite fusion and are often called stellar failures. Yet, they still emit heat and may hold clues about the boundary between planets and stars. Another fascinating fact: many stars aren't alone. Half the stars in our galaxy are part of multiple systems, binaries, triples, or clusters. In these stellar families, complex orbits create mesmerizing dynamics, and in many cases, planets form alongside them. This cosmic dance, where stars are born, live, and die, is the engine of the universe's evolution. Every explosion, every collapse, every distant glow helps shape galaxies and forge the atoms that would one day become you. The birth of stars is just one of the universe's many incredible stories. If you love fascinating facts of all kinds, click the next video on screen and keep exploring the channel. And don't forget, subscribing means unlocking new knowledge every week.